Hi, Justin Labato here, and we are in the Autogeek Show Car Garage today with special guest Billy Baugus from American Detail Garage. And he's here to talk to us about the ready-to-use surface protectant for interiors called Shield.
We know, Justin, an important part of the detailing is maintaining the surface, whether it's an interior surface or an exterior surface. Maintenance is key to things. So as well as we're going to put importance on cleaning the interior, we want to maintain it going forward, but just spraying something on there, water isn't going to do anything. So with American Detail Garage, whenever we make products, we want it to have a purpose, a reason why we make that product. And that's Shield. So Shield can be used on leather, vinyl, plastics, dash panels, steering wheels, and it's not a dressing per se that it's going to leave a greasy, oily film. It actually changes the surface tension and leaves a protective coating on that surface. So there's a lot of value with that. Shield is also anti-static and repels dust. If you have dust on the dashboard, you simply just wipe it off. You don't have to necessarily reapply the product.
Wow, so that's something like you had said earlier, with no sticky or greasy residue left behind. That's a common issue that's a concern for most consumers and people having their vehicles professionally detailed. That's something that the customer will voice. I don't want the the slippery stuff on my dash or the glossy stuff. As to where this, when you apply it, it sets up and then you come back and there's nothing there.
It's dry to the touch. Nobody likes the greasy feel. Another thing too with Shield is, especially like for instance on leather seats, it leaves a sacrificial barrier there, so you don't have that blue jean dye transfer that oftentimes happens with leather seats. You pay way too much for that car, or you upgrade to leather seats. It makes sense to just protect that and have that sacrificial barrier there.
So this will give you a slight visual enhancement to make everything uniform, but yet leaving that protection behind to give you a peace of mind, knowing that if you have a spill or some transfer from your jeans or whatever it may be on the vehicle's surface, the seat to say, it's easier to clean off because of that protection.
100%, yeah. So it's going to have a very, very slight difference in terms of knowing that there's something on there. It's not going to have a high gloss shine. Very subtle difference in that, but you're going to have the assurance of that sacrificial barrier being in place.
There you have it. With everything they've offered for exterior products, this is one that is great for your interior as well. It's ready to use. Shield from American Detailer Garage. So if you have any other questions about the American Detailer Garage lineup, make sure you visit Autogeek.com and be sure to subscribe, like, and follow us. And remember, at Autogeek, the beauty is in the details.